I'm Peter Westwood. I'm Data Centre Director. I joined the business about 10 months ago. A bit of a new venture for me to enhance and develop our data centre side and customer portfolio within the data centre market and enhance the teams and delivery and the whole concept from there. As Data Centre Director, initially I've come in to grow the business, build some teams, so win some work, deliver some projects, enhance and build the teams to deliver those projects, and also as a business we operate and maintain. So really just to raise a whole profile in the data centre industry. We've always had a good core of people within the business, right across the board with experienced guys. My biggest challenges really are trying to get new people and fresh people, Unfortunately, those guys are not going to be around for a long time. They've grown, over the last couple of decades with data centres, having that experience and knowledge for delivery. And it's really how we refresh and bring those youngsters in to start, replacing them and having a bit of a succession plan in the data centre industry with those core skills and gaps. The other thing personally I think we're missing is data centre design and architectures have stayed quite static over the years. The architectures have sort of stayed the same throughout, and without those young people we can't look at making the data centres more efficient, driving technologies, really getting that R&D through and making these data centres more efficient, because obviously we will get a power demand problem later on in time. So we really need to try and drive that through and flush it through with that experience and knowledge. In my current position, I've got a core team that can deal with the workload that we currently have. As I'm trying to grow a business and develop a business and enhance our portfolio of customers, then those bigger projects will come to us, and they already, are starting to do that. And now I'm trying to look out into the marketplace to fit those teams and look at those gaps and support those projects. So it can be quite challenging to try and bring those people in at the right time. So definitely, it's always a revolving door, and you've got to keep up with that technology, keep up with the change, keep up with the demand. And yeah, it's ups and downs really. We've got quite a large business. It just takes away that market knowledge, if you've got to go out and advertise and try and do all that internally, it's not efficient for our guys. So the nice thing about Highfield is they know the guys out there, they know what we need. It's a lot more efficient to let them do the work for us and then bring the right candidates in. It works a lot better. So it's good, and especially with Highfield, they fully understand the requirement, the different roles. There's many different roles that we need, as I've just explained, and it's good to have somebody who actually understands the experience and skills that person needs to fulfill each role, whether it's an engineer or a project manager or a director or a commissioning manager. It's nice to have an agent that actually knows what those different requirements are and then fulfill those with the right candidates. It's about that trusted relationship. Andy knows what I'm looking for and how I want it. I know what Andy can do and how he can pick those candidates out. So it's key really, and that's the key thing for me.